cage.
And I swear I'd never hurt you, and I promised all these things, but your words, they break my heart. I still swear I'd never hurt you, and I promised all these things, but I had to fall apart. Tell me, why don't you fly, my little bird? Your wings fall to the floor. Tell me, why don't you sing, my little bird? You lose your voice no more. Stand here and watch, dear, as the fires burn on the floor. Stand there and wait here, I'll keep you forevermore. And I swear that I'll watch you, keep you safe from all these things, but you're covered with no blood.